It's not every day there's mechanical nightmares. Sometimes it's every night. Welcome back to Customer States. This Ferrari came in for its $1,200 oil change. Even though the Ferrari doesn't get driven, the owner still likes to change the fluids annually. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that it sounds like Donald Duck when applying the electronic handbrake. This customer brought their vehicle in for a service, stating that they can keep the cans in the vehicle as a tip.
Oh my goodness. Holy cannoli. Jeez.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car isn't starting. It didn't take the mechanics long to find out why. This customer brought their vehicle in after driving through floodwaters and wanted to know why it doesn't turn on anymore.
Yeah, that's...
This customer brought their vehicle in as it keeps losing traction, but denied new tires, stating that she doesn't need them.
That's it. You seen it? Look at this shit. I got this for my old shop.
This customer brought their vehicle in as it makes a knocking noise when driving and wants them to replace the tire.
Customer states passenger front tire completely flat, replace one tire. Oh, and check the wheel to make sure all is good. What do you think is going to happen? If you guessed the wheel split in two, you were right.
This customer brought their old farm ute in for a wheel alignment, stating he didn't want to be upsold on anything.
Customer states he wants the alignment. Who the fuck's name would put this shit like underneath this broken frame?
This customer brought their car in stating that after they clean the car, it won't start anymore. This customer brought their car in stating that they wanted the tires rotated and balanced. The tires were bucked so badly on both sides that it was perfectly even and required no weights. This customer brought their car in stating for a few months it's had a slight vibration when driving and wanted to know why. This customer brought their car in stating that it's been overheating for no reason and wanted it fixed quick and easy.
Yeah.
This customer brought their car in stating that they bought it without a spare tire and wanted one added to the boot in case he gets a flat.
Customer states there is no spare tire.
This customer brought their car in stating that it's been difficult to brake for a few months now. The mechanics suggest it was the Bluetooth rotors.
It's
This customer brought their car in for an Aircon valve replacement, requiring a little bit of a mess.
It wasn't even that dirty.
This customer brought their car in stating that the car wobbles at low speeds. The mechanics were curious what happens when the customer goes high speeds. This customer brought their truck in stating that there's an air leak and want it fixed, and also mentioned they would appreciate the truck being cleaned afterwards for free.
Huh? No, Frank did. Gross.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.